Bud Selig has proposed much stiffer regulations in terms of positive drug tests with steroids. If baseball passes that on their own, is this bill likely to go away?
I don't think so. I think he's making a huge step forward. As you remember, the commissioner was talking about just fine of $10,000 back in January with a possibility of a 10-day suspension. So he's come quite a ways, and I think that's because of the threat of a federal piece of legislation. But again, I think we have to say there must be some universal testing, both in professional athletes as well as other athletic competitions. We have it in the Olympics, we have it in the NCAA. Why shouldn't we have it in professional sports? In fact, the World Chess Federation just adopted the World Anti-Doping Agency standards for universal testing.
And that universal plan, that universal testing policy that you speak of, you actually say, let's use the World Anti-Doping Agency plan. Why that one?
Well, that's the one that's used by the Olympics, and that's also used by the NCAA. We feel it's one way to do this. They also specify the number of steroids and types that they test for. It's done by an outside source. It's not somebody that's in-house. So together with this universal prescription, I think we'd have a solid way to identify athletes that are taking steroids, and we'd be able to rid ourselves of steroids in sports.